pops this one up into shallow right. Pence coming hard. Downs going out, and Pence loses the cap and loses the ball. Wright will come in to score. Bay hustling all the way, goes to third. He's being waved around. Here comes the throw from Pence. It's mishandled, and Bay scores. Hunter Pence did not catch it, and then it rolled behind him, and Chip Hale aggressively waving Bay, who was hustling right out of the box, and it's 8-1 New York.
Well, this has got to be an error right here, a four-base error. That is as bad as you can get right there as far as a four-base error. And he hustles. We've noticed this all the time. Bay never really always busts out of the box. I mean, that's a routine fly ball here, and he gets 4 out of it.
An unexpected